for us in my house, Steve and Teresa was kind of rock and roll compared to JROQ and Linda De La Cruz and everyone. But one of my favorites later on was listening to T when she kind of got into the jazz area. And on this next number, we're going to bring out to the stage from the Ethereum patches there in the Valley of White People. Okay, as long as you left some. You always talk, don't pick them all. See? Ethereum patch. Right? Put your hands together. In my eyes, eternal Miss Hawaiʻi. Put your hands together for the lovely Aureana. Cool! We share a song kind of on the Haole side. One of my favorites from T also. This one entitled The Haole. I hear the strains of that sweet Hōkū, and stealing from afar off guitar, they know, and when we do it, makes you sway in moonlight. I know the reason why fair Hawaii haunts you so. When I hear the strains of that sweet Hōkū, and stealing from afar on guitar, they know that when leaving away makes you sway in moonlight. I know the reason why fair Hawaii haunts you so. I hear the boom of rain as it sweeps down the valley. I hear the sound of wind as it sighs through the trees. I hear the crash of waves on the rise and the beaches. I hear the hissing surf and the boom of the sea. The lovely blue of sky and the sapphire of ocean, the flashing white of clouds and of waves foaming red, the many shades of green from the plains to the mountains, with all the brightest hues of the rainbow we're blessed. I love to dance and sing of the charms of Hawaii, and from a joyful heart sing aloha to you. In every note I'll tell of the spell of my island, when I know that you'll be in love with them too. I love to dance and sing of the charms